Welcome to Alvinsa Studio. Today we take you inside a one-of-a-kind retreat, Blok Studio Container Resort, a luxurious 1,300 square foot shipping container home designed for relaxation and style. With 2 spacious bedrooms, an open-concept living area, and high-end finishes, this container home redefines sustainable luxury. And what's better than unwinding in your private heated pool and spa? This home is designed for ultimate relaxation and enjoyment. Get ready to explore every incredible detail of Blok Studio Container Resort, only on Alvinsa Studio. Welcome to Blok Studio. This is a new modern one-of-a-kind container home, which features 4 40-foot high cube shipping containers, direct TV, a large wraparound deck, a 20-foot container heated pool, plus a hot tub. Great place to unwind in the serene outdoor living areas, complete with breathtaking views of the Joshua Tree landscape. The property is located on the south side of the 62 highway, just 1 mile from the downtown area and 4 miles to the west entrance of the Joshua Tree National Park. You will have access to the surrounding area around the property. Includes a hot tub, heated container pool, outdoor furniture, propane fire pit, BBQ grill, sun chairs on the deck, plus more. The home has high-speed internet access through Starlink and DirecTV, which offers consistent connectivity throughout your stay. There is a parking structure with overhang to protect your car from the sun and other natural elements. We also provide a 40-watt EV charger with Tesla adapter. Bedroom 1 king-size bed, bedroom 2 queen-size bed, living room queen pull-out bed. Fully equipped kitchen with high-end appliances, refrigerator, oven, stove, microwave, and all the basic kitchen essentials: pots, pans, plates, cups, and utensils. 1-ring floodlight security camera is located at the front and rear of the house for your security. No cameras are located inside the property. You will have the entire house and surrounding yard all to yourself. Blok Studio Container Resort is a perfect blend of modern design, comfort, and sustainable living, proving that shipping containers can create truly luxurious spaces. From its sleek industrial aesthetic to its warm, inviting interiors, every detail of this home is crafted for relaxation and style. And with a private heated pool and spa, this home offers the ultimate retreat to unwind and recharge. Thank you for joining us on this tour. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Alvinsa Studio for more inspiring architectural designs from around the world. Stay creative, stay inspired, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep exploring extraordinary spaces.